Welcome everybody. We're gonna do a game jam today. One game in 1 hour is what I'm gonna do. In about 10 minutes, I'm gonna get started, and y'all are welcome to join. We do this every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. As long as I can play your game in the browser, there's itch.io links in the description box where you can figure out how to join and how to get involved and everything. So check it out, and you can play all the games people are gonna make. So that's kind of neat. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. I do this every week. I do a lot of other stuff, and maybe you wanna know about that. All right. So in order for this jam to work, we need a topic. So if some of y'all have a topic suggestion, I would appreciate it. We got Unknown in this house. We got Reed Show. We got Dungeon Martian, Jean-Michel, Joshua. Welcome everybody. Literally, if I get 8 topics that look decent, what we're gonna do is we're gonna include them as possibilities for our jam today. I'm gonna put them on this wheel here. We're gonna spin that wheel, and we're gonna see what everyone's fate is. So give me your suggestions in the chat, and let me tell you a little bit about the rules in the meantime. Like I said, it has to be able to be played in the browser. That is to say, it is not acceptable for me to have to download something. So that's kind of an important one. A topic is a topic. Topic is the topic. What am I going to do with that? I mean, you know, maybe on some level I could work with that. I don't know, like topical topic, I don't know. I don't know. I think there's too much trolliness going on in that one. All right, but let me talk about the rules too, guys, while you come up with some topics. Type them in the chat. They could be anything. Really, just like be whatever you want about it, and I may reject it, but that's okay. It's helpful to have suggestions. The entries must be family friendly and safe for work. As I said, we got to be able to play them in the browser. And if you make music or put music in your game, why does it keep erasing my messages? If you put music, oh, I know why. I know why it's doing that. If you put music in the game, you have to have made it during the jam, or you made it yourself and you promise it's going to be copyright free forever. This is just a YouTube thing. YouTube gets mad if there's things that aren't supposed to be in there. Oh man, Ocean with the member chat. Look at that. Yes, look at those beautiful member chats. Wow, I love it. We gotta show it to you. Look at that. Oh, it's lovely. It's lovely. Thank you for supporting this channel for 2 months, NOM. Well, since you're using your whole member chat for it, I mean, it just seems like obviously we have to do that. I actually really like that one. That's a really cute one. All right, NOM, that's a good topic. Obviously, we'll go through the others, but let me just finish going through the rules. But if you're gonna use your member highlight chat, I gotta interrupt everything for that. All right, so yeah, music. Make sure that you made it during the jam or in the past, and you promise it's copyright free. You can use assets that you've made before, that you've bought before, code that you've written. That's all fine. It's okay. Use this to set goals for yourself. All right, this is a low pressure jam. I know it's like 1 hour, what? But like seriously, this is not going to be rated. If your game is not finished, that's okay. But give yourself every advantage you can, including using assets that you've made before. That's a-okay. Set goals for yourself. Maybe you want to learn a new thing in the engine you like using. Maybe you don't want to learn a new thing, like I tend to feel, and you want to reinforce what you already know. That's all good. But just don't worry, it's okay. And include the topic in some way. You don't have to make the entire game be about the topic, but try to include it somehow. All right, let's get these filled out. We got 5 minutes before the hour starts, and we got to pick this topic. Okay. So we have NOM, of course. What up, Stu Lab Time Zone? Welcome. Topic is not the best topic. Primitive. Oh, I like that. Welcome, Dormouse. Primitive. Open world MMORPG. I don't know about that one. Hurricane. Oh, that's Paris. There are some hurricanes going on right now. I think that's a pretty good one. Collect. Oh, simple and like very actionable. Perfect. That's a really good one. Ducks. I did not write ducks. Ducks. There you go. That's what I meant to type. What else? Dancing. Oh, that sounds lovely. Speedrun. Interesting. All right, one more slot left. Simulator. Oh, I like knocking things over. Oh, I like that one. Is there anything we can replace? I think these are all really good. All right, no more topics. These topics are great. These topics are awesome. Look at that. Camo. Knocking things over. surfing, luck. These are all really good ones. Thank you guys for all these great suggestions. With that said, global scores. What? That's way too hard. Welcome, Ariaki. All right, guys, here we go. We're going to spin this wheel, and we're going to have a topic with 4 minutes approximately to spare, so you guys can get a head start. I do recommend using a pre-submission time, using that time for a pre-submission. I'll show you what that is in just a second. All right, here we go. The wheel will be spun, the topic will be chosen, and what topic shall it be? I don't know, that's just the sound that I made. Ding! NOM! It's NOM! It knew that we had a highlighted member message. By the way, if you guys want your own highlighted member messages, you get one a month if you're a member. You can join the membership using the join link below. You'll get a whole entire extra live stream. An entire live stream that's 8 to 10 hours, by the way. Every Monday, you get emotes, fun emotes. Your emotes will appear on the screen when you use emotes. Did you know that, members? That you can use emotes and they appear on the screen? Any emotes? It's pretty cool. So, you know, just a bunch of stuff. I sing songs to you during the devlog stream. So, yeah, check out the membership. It's the join button below the channel. And make sure you have gift memberships enabled. You can do a little research to figure out how to make sure you have those enabled. But, yeah, the membership is kind of a nice little thing. All right, NOM. That's the topic. That's the topic. What is NOM exactly? Well, that's a good question. Let's see what the internet has to say. To me, right, I think about like that old-timey 2000s meme where, what is it, like, I can has cheeseburger, right? like that's what I think of. Well, there's also a nomination for an honor award. Wow. Okay. So, used for showing that you like a particular kind of food or that you think something looks or sounds very good to eat. So, there you go. Now, look, you can interpret this however you want, right? I don't care if it's like, you know, just takes place at a dinner table and it's a platformer where you jump around. Like, I don't even care. Just like some way to implement it. But I would say you could do nomination, you could do nom nom, you know, all of that works. So, yeah, to eat. I feel like eating or nomination are the ways. Or maybe there's some other definition that I haven't thought of that you guys can come up with. So, yeah, but like nom nom nom. Yeah, that's probably the most, like, familiar interpretation of it. We must learn the essence of nom. Yeah, exactly. Onomatopoeia eating sounds. Yes, Gary, exactly. Precisely. Vietnam game time. Yeah, it could be Vietnam. Sure, why not? Is the link in the description leading to last week's jam? Maybe it friggin' is. Uh-oh. I better fix that. Okay, guys, hold on. Here's the link to this week's jam, by the way. You have 54 seconds. 54 seconds before the hour begins, just so you know. 21 of you watching, but only 5 have thumbed up? I'm just saying, like, look, you're already here. You might as well hit you're chatting. You might as well press that little thumbs up button. It means more people will see the live stream and come through later. So thank you if you're willing to do that. I appreciate it. All right, I'm gonna need to fix this. We got a little bit of a problem there. Just a little bit of a problem. We can't have that. It should be 79. Yeah, it should be 79. Oops. Whoops. All right, there we go. The links in the descriptions are fixed. You can now go down there and get to the right place, but I also made sure there's a link in the chat so that way you guys get to the right spot. So now that you're in the right spot, here's what you're going to do. This is so you can do a pre-submission. I really recommend it. I really recommend it. Nomination sounds like an arena game where you eat everything. Oh, that sounds awesome. Welcome to the nomination. Okay, I'm actually running out of time now. So here's how you do a pre-submission, guys. It's really important. So if you go to submit your project, you can do it right now. Even if your game isn't done, by doing this, it means that if time runs out, you can still upload a game later. It's kind of OP. So you can use an existing project. I'm going to upload a new game, even though I don't have a game to upload. I'm going to do that anyway. I'm going to call it October 11th 1 hour jam attempt. I don't like all those ones next to each other, so we're going to say that. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to hit save and view page. Done. I have pre-submitted. The pre-submitted is complete. Now, when you're ready to actually upload your game and do all the description and things over here on itch.io, come up here to draft, or you can go to your dashboard and find it from there. But I'm going to come to back to this page, and you're going to click on draft right there, and now you can do all the normal things, like make it public. You can also set it to be unlisted. That might be something you want to do. Things like that, so that way we can all play it, and good stuff. Something extra that I often like to do is make sure that it's not visible in my profile, because it's just a little game that I make in 1 hour. I'm not... Some people share it. Personally, it's not what I want to put on there. So I'm going to come over to edit theme here on my profile page and hit hide and save. And now it's gone. But since we made it public and unlisted, it'll still appear for the jam. All right, those are all the things that you need to know. Now I'm going to work on my game. Welcome, everybody. Let's do this. Lucas Gaming, good to see you. 1 minute. I know, it's time. Like, the time is nigh. Like, we are here now. We must do this immediately. Combine both NOM, name in French. I mean, I would, if you interpret it that way, I will not be opposed. Like, literally. That just sounds like cheating with extra steps. Kind of, but like, it's not, because the rules of this jam are very flexible, right? Really, it's just about having a short-term pressure, right? And that's really the main aim of this jam. And as long as you still have some kind of short-term pressure, like, it's all good. No worries. Okay. So, what is my game gonna be? I'm gonna pull up Paint. I should probably set myself a timer. Where are we at here? What is the time? Tell me the truth. Just lay it on me. Where are we at? How bad is it? How bad is it for me right now? 57 minutes, not that bad. I'm gonna set my timer for 55 minutes, just so that way I think I have a little less time than I do. I find that helps me. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. It just like tricks my brain a little, so I hurry up when actually I don't need to hurry up, which is actually nice. 54 minutes, that's what I've put up for myself. There's a couple more than that, but let's just pretend that's not true. Okay, great, good. Time to do the MS Paint thing. Let's see what we're doing. Just submit my monster eating game and say you did it all in an hour. Yeah, I'm sure no one will be able to call me out on that. There's certainly no like evidence of what's happening right in front of your eyes. Okay, so, here we go. So, let's do NOM. I guess, to me, eating sounds like the most interesting to me, if I'm being honest. So I'm going to just imagine some of this. The topic, it's just, what's the topic? Oh, it's just NOM. Let's get some teeth on here. We're going to imagine, boop, 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 boop. Okay, so, dude, I kind of like this. Something about this, like, right here is inspiring to me. Like, what if, like, what if it's just, like, something over here and things move over? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Okay, so that could work. That could work. What if it's like, so what are you, and why do you need to eat them? What does eating them do for us? Nom, this, I mean, it's kind of exciting, like, because it's cute and it's like an old meme, but also, I do like the Nom, Pac-Man. Right, well, but it's like, do we need, like, I don't know, I could do that, but I'm not sure. I kind of want it to be like side scroller is more what I'm imagining. Not like a maze that you navigate through and there's enemies and stuff, but rather, what if you just like move like up, down? We could even just have, what if it's just up and down? And then, you know, maybe we could add a boost. I don't see why. What if you're constantly moving, or if stuff is constantly moving towards you, and you can move up or down, and there's things you can eat and things you shouldn't eat? I mean, it's kind of simple. It's nothing, it's not revolutionary, but I mean, why does it need to be? It doesn't. So what are things that are good to eat? Banana? No, we're not going to model a banana. That's too complicated right now. An apple, an orange. It can just be little things. We could still do a Pac-Man thing. I don't really want to do Pac-Man because that's boring. What kind of things could you be eating? What is it? I mean, it's just a mouth. It's just a disembodied mouth that crunches on things. I mean, like, what is it? Is it a monster? Is it? And then I guess I could try animating it too. That could be kind of fun. What if it's eating, like, not, I guess it could eat, like, people, or, like, I think I want to keep it kind of simple. I really just want to make the game, Maybe it's like, what's an easy thing to mod? Lemons, oranges? What if it's oranges? I mean, if we're going with like with old things, that could work. Or like it could be like angry oranges that you're eating, like old memes. No, I'm not gonna do that. So let's say they're oranges. It eats or it's a sphere, but trust me, guys, it's an orange. Uh, but sometimes there's lemons, and it doesn't want to eat lemons. Lemons is a little harder to model in a short amount of time, but maybe I can figure that out. I mean, if I was gonna model a lemon, I could go into Blender and do it somewhat quickly. Wow, we're doing Blender today, Lise? Are you sure? Are you sure? I mean, I guess a goal that I have for myself in a lot of these jams is wanting to like start to theme more particularly instead of just having like squares and cubes and crap. So like yeah, maybe it's lemons and oranges and like you really want to eat the oranges but you don't want to eat a lemon cuz that sucks. And that's it. And that's the whole game. But so is there like a time? I mean, I love doing like get a score within a certain amount of time and you just have to avoid bad things and get good things. I think that's it. It's a really simple game. It's not like super revolutionary. I don't really care. I think it'll be a fun challenge. So I'm booting up Blender. I'm gonna make a lemon in Blender. I don't like who likes lemons? Blender in the 1 hour jam. Fancy. Yes, I am being fancy right now. You know it. You already know. All right, I like to start out with some of the assets, so let's just get that. Let's get out of the way. I'm feeding you ideas. I like what you did there with the feeding part. Okay, so let's get us I'm thinking an icosphere. And then if we could just get back, there we go. Beautiful. Uh, and then maybe what I could do pretty simply, it's not going to be very complicated. Let's do proportional editing so it just looks a little more, gooder. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Are we looking at the front right now? Let me just make sure this is the front. That's the front. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, it's simple. It's simple as a pimple. Oh, and we should also do symmetrical editing so it stays the same. It's a very simple thing to model, honestly. It's not terribly complicated as far as things go. No, I wouldn't recommend that. Keep it a little bit smaller. Great. Lemon. Something ain't right about this. That is not symmetrical. I've seen a lot of symmetry in my days. I don't think that's it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the top of it. I'm gonna cut it in half. Oh, geez. Can you be more in the center for me? All right, hold on. Let's not do symmetrical editing. Oh, I see. I need to grab both of these. Drag that out. Let's do like a loop cut right here. Then I can grab just this and pull this up. Are the likes good? Are the likes good? 9 likes and 19 people here. Only 9 thumbs ups. Guys, hit that like button. It'll help so much for this channel and for people who get to see if the stream exists. 19 people hanging out and there's 9 likes. I mean, look, if you want to hold off on your like until later, I respect that. I respect that. You want to make sure, hey, do I actually like this? That's fair. That's a fair point, and you deserve to take your time in making that decision. But I would really appreciate it. It's 10. It's 10. Okay, it's good. It's getting up there. It's getting better. Thanks for keeping an eye on that, Lucas. I really appreciate it. All right. Cool, cool, cool. Now, I know I spent so much time on this lemon. I know I did. All right, and then we're not done. We're not done spending time on this lemon. I'm taking it even further. I'm going to do a cut through here, right like that. And then I'm going to get rid of all of... We don't even need to do that. We can just put a mirror modifier on this thing. I don't really have a good, like, quick Blender workflow here. When I do 1 hour jams. I usually have like tons of time. So this is definitely new. There we go. There we go. Lemon. If that's not a lemon, I don't know what is. Beautiful. I love it. Now I could go and do like a shade smooth on it or something, but I don't know. I don't know. I think I kind of like the low poly look a bit, if I'm being honest. There's something about that that kind of appeals to me. Let's try it anyway, though. Let's try it anyway. Give me the shade smooth. Where's my shade smooth? I don't know. It's so weird to do this. I've never do this. So I'm like used to just having like time to like chill and like sort it out. Look at that. All right, we'll do smooth. It's a smooth lemon. I like that. It's 14, now 15. We're doing good. Oh yeah, it is a football. It's a football lemon. All right, save it. Lees. Oh my God, how much time do we spend on that? A lot of time. I'm gonna save this to my folder. Documents. Oh God, I gotta make a whole folder for this. Jam temp Godot. Is it, where is it? Jam temp, wait, is it in Godot templates? Jam template. There it is. We got there. We got there. We got there. Jam scenes. Create a new folder. And this is gonna be for NOM. Excellent. And this is lemon. All right. Lemon is saved. Now I'm going to finally come into Godot. It's importing the assets as it should. As it friggin' better. And let's actually save this while we're making a folder and doing all this good stuff. Let me go ahead and save this completely empty scene. We're going to say jam scenes. It's so gonna great. You love this. You love it. Me too. We're going to say that this is our NOM scene. Good. And let's get the NOM folder up here. And then I want the lemon in the project. So we're going to make a new inherited scene. 16 likes now. Good job, guys. You guys are nailing it. Hey, man, Lucas is keeping an eye out. So if you hit that thumbs up button, it's not going to go unappreciated. And that says a lot. Look how lemon that is. Look at what a friggin' lemon that is. Tell me that ain't. All right, so now we got a lemon. I'm going to save that as my lemon. Great, good, awesome. Now let's make an orange. That's part of our game idea. So I'm going to make a... let's make another node 3D, and we're going to call this an orange. Now I want these to be things that get eaten, so that will be interesting to set up. I do have some pre-made things. As I said in the intro, pre-made stuff is acceptable, and I will be using some pre-made spawner things. Probably don't need to make a whole fancy orange, but you know, it's okay. I'm going to make it, yes, orange. Orange colored. I can't see it because my friggin' lemon is in the way. Get out of here, lemon. That's right, Tommy. That's exactly what it is. Okay, that's actually a bit tiny. I think that doesn't make sense, so we're going to make it bigger. We're going to make it a little larger. Let's go twice the size here. All right, that seems okay. It seems like a good... I don't know. It's like a nectarine. That's more of like, or not even a nectarine. That's like more of a clementine. Let's do 2.5. Wait, don't. That's hard to do. Do 1.5. All right. Bigger. Wait, but if it's a bad thing, it should be. We'll just have more of them. We could just have more of them. Because you would want like the bad thing made to be bigger, so it's like harder to miss, but that's okay. This will be fine. Cool. And then obviously I'm going to want like some collision on those, right? We're going to want like an area 3D. Let me look at my previous spawn stuff. So I do have like spawn collectible. I've made this in the past. Let me look at this. No dislike. If they want to dislike, that's up to them. I'd appreciate it if you didn't, but literally also, that's your prerogative. It's your power to do that. So I want to say we have a mesh, and then we have a collision shape and a spawn area, and then there's a script on here. Oh, we need to put the spawn script on there. Yeah, it seems important. And it's just, what's the script called? What's the script name? Spawn. Cool. That's simple. And then we have an area with a collision shape. Got it. All right, then. And it's called spawn area. I should probably name it that, would be my guess. All right. So let's do that on the lemon. Let's just do the lemon now. I'm going to add a area 3D, and that is going to have a collision shape. It can be whatever, honestly. Yeah, make it a sphere. Sure, why not? I guess a capsule. This is looking capsule-y to me. It's giving capsule. So let's probably rotate that capsule would be my guess. I'm spending a lot of time on this. I probably could do it quicker if I'm being honest. This week's theme, Bristol. Oh, why is it so stretched out? I don't know. It's NOM. That's the theme. NOM is the theme, as in nom nom nom, or nomination, if you so choose. Apparently, in French, it also means name, so it's kind of up to you what it means, but that's the theme today. And it's kind of hard to see the collision shape. Let me do overdraw, just so I can see through it a little better. Wow, that didn't help at all. That helped 0%. It helped absolutely none. Wow, that's shocking. I'm surprised. I thought that would help. It did not help. Great. Dude, I'm concerned. I'm concerned. All right, let's actually make it a little unfair. I kind of want it to be a bit unfair, you know, like a little too big. So you just have to be really careful around them. Something about that I like. Let's do it like that. That seems good to me. That seems good to me. Big news, 20 likes. Thank you for watching the news. Yes, thank you. Hence the fruit. Yes, exactly. So here's my idea. My idea, Bristol, is that you are a big mouth and you need to eat oranges but not lemons, because lemons don't taste good, but oranges do. That's it. 21 likes. You guys are killing it. You guys are awesome. Lemon is a powerful fruit. Needs a rotten modifier. It's by default rotten. How about a large corn for an enemy? Fruits and veggies sworn enemies of the alien. I like that. I like that. You guys should put that in your game. For this, I gotta do what I'm doing though. All right, so we got a area 3D. I need to call this spawn area, and I need to put the spawn. I'm in danger right now, I have to say, guys. I gotta really focus in. So we've gotta attach a script on here. Specifically, I gotta come to game aspects, which is up here. Game aspects. Cool. Magic fruit pills for extra boost. Yeah, maybe, probably not. I won't have time. Maybe on the iterate, if I iterate on it, then we can do that. Okay, so now we got spawn stuff. Excellent. Let's do the same thing for the orange. I'm going to add an area 3D. We're going to name it spawn area. And then we got to give it a collision shape. No problem. Super easy. Let's make it a sphere. We want it to be the same size. I think 1.5 is our radius. Looks good. Excellent. Now for the orange, I'm going to make this a new scene. We're going to go to Jam Scenes, NOM, wherever that lives, right here. And I'm going to call this orange, naturally. And these are the things that we're going to spawn in. Let's get them spawned. I still haven't made the player yet. So that's going to be something. But hopefully I can reuse something easy. Okay, let's also make... Oh, no, these are fine. Okay, good. So I'm going to actually delete these from the scene. Let's set up a spawner. So this is something I've already got from a previous Game Jam template. And I'm going to use that so I don't have to remake it, because that would be really not fun. Let's get a camera in there so we can actually get in and see it do its thing. Hear if the girl screams something when the alien picks her up? Oh, totally. So I'm not working on the alien game today, Tommy. That's only on Wednesdays and Thursdays. On Fridays, I'm making a brand new game for fun. That's not a full game. Every Friday, I do a new, usually, game in an hour. So I only have 37 minutes, and then I'm out of time. So there's links in the description box if you want to go join the jam or see the other entries people are doing. But I gotta go, because this isn't the same project. But that's cool. I like your ideas, but I can't right now. But thank you. So, okay, let's get this camera in a decent place. Why not just leave it in the origin for now? I'm not going to worry about it. So we need a world environment so things can be visible and stuff. The topic is nom, as in nom nom nom, or nominate. Whatever you want to interpret the word nom to mean. That is the topic. All right, it's also posted up in the chat, and it's on... Oh, I forgot to put it on the jam page. I was going to say, it's also on the jam page. No, it's not. No, it's not. I forgot. All right. My bad. Thanks for reminding me without reminding me. I knew it. I knew it. 22 likes. Yeah, I'm very happy. Thank you, Lucas. You've been so helpful. All right, so uh getting a world environment in here so things are visible. I guess I'll put a ground so it doesn't look neon green. That would be good. Uh I don't know, just make it black. All right. Now we've got this spawner, these spawners in here. Uh, let's make them actually spawn something in particular. Uh, oh, I might have the wrong, also, for the spawn, I think I need to do something different for if it's an enemy. Damaging, well, it's not that it's damaging, it's that I want it to be, I mean, it is damaging. I guess we do. I guess we could do damaging. I'm not sure. I think damaging just ends the game immediately. Um, so I guess that's it. I guess that's it. Yeah, maybe we don't do a time. Maybe I can just ramp it up. I don't know if I have time to do that. Sometimes I'm gonna stop soon because it's getting. I can't keep up all the time. Because I gotta do this. So what is this one? That also a spawn. Oh, we define it here if it's an enemy or not. Smart. Good. Okay. Sweet. Noted. Great. So then, that's wonderful. So now on here with the actual project, I need to set what the spawn object is. So we're going to go get an orange and we're going to drag that onto one of these. And then for the other spawn point, we're going to drag on a lemon. Again, these are pre-made things that I've done for this jam. Okay, good. Now I'm just curious, what are we looking at here? If I play it, what do we see? What happened? That's the wrong game. That's last week's. That was my game last week. Uh, okay. What Roku TV remote makes your legs stronger? Thank you. Thank you, Roku TV remote. Nice. Nice. Nom nom. All right, got it. All right, now I can test it, and it's the main scene, which is great. And there's oranges, and there's lemons. Great. Now the orange is just spawning in place unless it's spawning backwards, and I just can't tell because we don't have the right angle. Yeah, we need to do that a little differently. And tell me more about the lemon spawn. What's its deal exactly? So I gotta come over here to lemon. It is spawning. It has 10 seconds that it stays alive. It's a collectible. We actually want this to be damaging. And damage settings. Damage insta-kills. Okay, cool. Let's just, I'm just going to get rid of the orange spawner. And let's just duplicate this one so that way they're both behaving similarly. Now, all these little inspector settings are just things I've done before. There is a link in the description to this GitHub project. It hasn't been updated in a bit, but it will have all this on it if for whatever reason you're curious. It's all right. You know, it's not the best thing, but it works. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Orange. What's the orange staying put? Oh, you know why? I know why. It's because I didn't configure the orange to be a spawned object. That's why. So we got to go find the spawn script, which is on game aspects. Boop, 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 spawn. All right, now make it a spawn. And then we can configure it to do things. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is not damage. This is a collectible. Collectible points 1. Okay, cool. Now, obviously, it's going the wrong direction. So I'm going to say that its direction should be -1, not 1. And then I'm going to do the same over here. Spawn direction, -1. There they are. Whoops. I think it's fine. I think that was just, it's going to be good. They're both going to go that way. Beautiful. Perfect. Neat. Love it. Now, obviously, I'm going to want to adjust that speed at some point. Let's get a player in here. Let's see. I'm going to use a player that I often use here. We're going to splat it on in. Now, I don't really want it to look like that. Oh, yeah, I wanted to make a giant mouth. Whoops, forgot about that. Uh-oh. Okay, cool. I'll just do that. Yeah, I'll just do that. No problem. Easy. Monster. Yeah. So I'm just gonna actually save this as a separate scene, and we're just gonna call this monster. This was for my Fright Night. I really should save these separately, so that way I can easily just delete them out of here. Great. So let's add a new thing. Not a node. Ideally, that would be a node 3D. I'm making a lot of like slow mistakes. This is going to be mouth. Let's add a mesh in here. I don't think we're going to worry about animating it because I feel behind. So it's just going to be an open mouth. And so this is going to go. Let's do a box mesh. I'm going to make it a lot flatter here. Zoop. And then we're going to put it at a bit of an angle. Something like that. Okay. Let's make it longer. Not that way, but this way. Cool. I'm going to duplicate that. And then we're going to put it at an opposite angle and put it down here. We got ourselves a mouse. Is it great? A mouse. A mouth. Is it a great mouth? No. Is it ours? Yeah. Let's do a capsule mesh. This is a bit overkill. It doesn't really make sense. Like, how is this a mouth? I don't know. It's not a whole head. I guess I could make a whole... Wait, don't do that. Don't do that. Do, give it a head. How you gonna do that? You could do a neg... Oh, I got a better idea. All right, hold on. I know. Oh, God. Undo that. Let's do a CSG combiner. So what a CSG combiner is going to do is it's going to let me do like negative shapes, which is awesome. So I'm doing it. We're going to add a sphere. And let's make that... Oh, God, I hope I remember how to do this. I really do. I really hope I do remember how to do that. So there's the head. And then inside of this combiner, I'm also going to add in... we don't have a triangle, a prism. You don't got a prism for me? Maybe if we... Okay, let me do a polygon. You want me to do a polygon? All right, that sucks. I guess I could do a box. Oh, we could do a box. Just do a box. And then we just rotate it on an angle, right? Bring it in here. Okay, check this out, assuming I know how to do this, because it's been a while. Let's see. Is it your mouth? Is it your mouth? You tell me. Is this what your mouth looks like? How do I do this? I forgot. I forgot how this works. CSG box. Is it... How do you... Oh, operation. We want to do subtraction. There it is. See? Bam. Okay, but we need that to look a little different. Obviously. Yeah, I guess we did do Pac-Man after all. Or at least it's Pac-Man similar. It's giving Pac-Man. I wouldn't say it's straight up Pac-Man, but yeah, there's elements of Pac-Manery going on. Can we make this look a little bigger? Yeah, give me a big mouth. All right, sweet. A little bit of adjustment there. Let's make it larger, perhaps. Could be nice. Okay, not like that. Not like that. I'm going to do the transform, and we're going to scale it up. Sweet. Mouth. Thing that eats. All right. I guess but Pac-Man's yellow though. Still, you're a silly one. Guys, I know I don't need to do this, but I really want to give it eyes. I don't know. I don't want it to be Pac-Man, okay? I don't want it to be... It's a personal thing. So we're going to give it eyeballs. I don't want to give it eyeball. What's its color going to be? I don't know. Maybe we could do a separate color. I could say that material, googly eyes, that's too much work. Guys, I haven't even made the game yet. I got 27 minutes. I got 27 minutes left. As much as I would like it to have googly eyes. We're just gonna make it, no, that's orange. That's the color of the oranges. I mean, there's something kind of nice about that. It kind of communicates like, hey, you should eat things that match your color. I actually kind of like that. Never mind, let's do that. And then we can actually make the box red. And then that should give it a red mouth. So that's something. Look, okay, is it the best? No, but at least it's something. It doesn't look that red against the orange, I gotta be honest with you. Let's see if we can't lighten it a little bit. It's, I don't know. Why am I hung up on this? Maybe I just give it a different color. Not orange. It's green. There you go. You're a green thing. You're a green thing. Oh, you're a lizard. Oh, you're a lizard. That's what you are. Why? Because look at the colors. That's what it, because it's a lizard because that's what it looks like. That's why it's a lizard. Okay. Give it an eyeball here. I probably should reuse the eyeballs that I made for the monster, actually, because those are pretty solid. They already have pupils and everything. This, not so much. It's Kermit. It's Kermit! Oh no, did I make Kermit? Oh shoot. Dang it. It is giving Kermit, isn't it? Wow. It's kind of cute. There's something about that. Oh God, I'm doing so much artwork. It's something kind of nice about doing the art, but it's, oh, I forgot to make it unique. But, you know, it's also kind of taking up all my time. This is horrifying what I'm doing. I know that. I'm aware. I should put like a gradient on it for the eyeball. That's what I should do. Ugh, no, no, no. Unique material. Unique material. Is him the guy? uh, oh, goodness. I don't like the way that looks at all. But, it's what we get. It's what we get. So many ways I could have done this differently. All right, there we go. There it is. All right. Beautiful character made. Holy crap. All right, then I got to put this in my actual scene. It is in my scene. It's facing the wrong way, though, I believe. So let's make it face this way. I wouldn't recommend that. I would recommend turning it here. Just a thought. Flippy dippy. Good. And then if we come back to here, oh, we got to save it so it's flipped. Good, good, good. Oh, crap. It was the right way. Dang it. All right. Put it on back. Put it on back then. Okay. And what does that look like? Where are we at? Can I move? I can, but you can barely tell that I'm moving. Those are going the wrong way. We only want to be able to go up and down. How are you going to do that? How are you going to do that? I think you know how you're going to do that, Lise. I think you know how you're going to do that. You're going to rotate it 90 degrees down. We're going to come up here. And then I'm actually going to change this perspective with the rotation to be facing like that. Oh, God. This won't have unforeseen consequences, I'm sure. Oh, man, I'm scared. I'm very frightened. Come here. Okay, that's the vision. That's the vision. That's what we want. Okay, cool. I want the camera to be a little bit closer then, please. Something like that. Maybe over here. Oh God, the perspective is really weird. I kind of like it though. Cool. And then obviously, obviously we're gonna need the, oh, the player already has cameras built in. It's hilarious. We're gonna need the spawners to be over here. I have no idea what direction these spawners are shooting relative to... I think they're actually shooting the correct way right now. I'm actually pretty sure they are. Oh, wait, what? Is there a camera? Is there an active camera on the player right now? Camera... Not the current camera, please. Not the current camera, please. Please no. Please don't. What? Also, what is that error? Oh, I'm in so much danger. This is the current camera. Use that one. No. What is the error? Invalid index visible on base null instance with the value type of bool. Spawn mesh. Oh, we gotta call something spawn mesh. Wow. Okay. Didn't know that. Didn't know that. That's news to me. Rename. I can't rename it? Are you freaking kidding me? Alright. Jesus. I gotta come back to Blender. I gotta rename this spawn mesh. Save it. That should update in here. Please. Oh, I'm in danger. I am. Spawn mesh. Alright. Hey, puppet people. Welcome. And I'm trying to make a game. The topic is NOM in 1 hour. I'm almost out of time. And my game idea is you're a mouth who needs to eat oranges, not lemons. It's very simple. We'll see how it goes. I think I'm in danger. Okay, so... And then after this, we're going to play everybody's games because other people might be joining us, which is really exciting. So... What are we doing? We need the noms to go in. We have... Oh, I need to go on the orange and also make this spawn mesh. The camera. What the frig is going on with my camera right now? So we have a camera right here. When I look at it, it looks a lot like that. But when we get into the game, it sure doesn't. It sure doesn't look like that. How many cameras are on here? Why is this marked as current? This is not... No. Stop it. You stop being current right now. I forbid you. I'm gonna delete these freaking cameras. I'm gonna freaking burn them down to the ground. If they don't relax. They're dying. I'm killing them. The cameras are dead. No cameras in there. Like, I don't know what they're doing there. I do, but I hate them. Okay, great. Awesome. Now, oh man. Okay, the size of the spawns are too big. They're friggin' massive, and it's not good. So I need to deal with that very immediately. Severely. I think... Oh, what's going to be easier? Making the player bigger? I don't know. I'm actually not sure. I think we should make the player bigger. That's what I think. So I'm going to scale up this mesh considerably until it looks better sized. Oh my god. We need to pull this out. I'm in so much danger. Pull this out. Play it. It's going to kill me right away, unfortunately. It still needs to be a little bit bigger. I made those spawns way too large. Way, way, way too large. Okay, let me see what that's like. Obviously, the collision shape needs to be adjusted, but let's get this figured out. Oh my god, it's still not big enough. As for the collision shape for the player... Right, we have 2 separate collision shapes. Horrifying. Make this larger. You're also in danger if it makes me feel better, but it's going to be all right. Yeah, it's going to be all right. Oh, Josh, I appreciate that. You're not wrong. Let's move it like that. And I'm going to copy that, delete this, and paste that out here. Okay, so that should be a truer collision shape now. The camera needs to be pulled out majorly. So let's do that. Thank goodness for pre-made things. All right, pull this out here, adjust it. Now I need to deal with the controls. The controls are not correct at all. Very bad, much not good. So let's actually do that next. It's gonna be good. We'll see. We'll see. I have a second set of controls. There's controls normal and controls not normal. Really well labeled there. Okay, so this is actually... Oh, dude, not normal is perfect. It's just the wrong axis. It's the wrong axis, but it's pretty darn close to what I need. So what I need is to actually redefine these a little bit. I'm going to say right, let's see here, what is right? When I move right, what happens? I forgot. When I move right, it goes up. So we need right to be up. We need left to be down. I'm going to regret this. I'm going to regret this next week when I'm like, why are my controls obnoxious? This is if controls are normal. This is if controls are normal. Don't mess with that. This really is coding. It is. Yes. Yes, this really is coding. I mean, a lot of what I've done, I've already coded previously. So I reuse things that I've used in these jams before to save time. But sometimes I really do have to do coding. Welcome, Nepal. How you doing? Up and down. Okay. It's actually kind of nice, the normal and not normal, so I have like a separate one to do this weird stuff with. Jump, please no jumping. Please no jumping. That would be appreciated if we can't jump. All right, up or down, that's it. Now, okay, so we obviously need to make a lot of changes here. The camera, there's no way I can finish this. I know, but I'm gonna try to do my best. I might have to scale the idea down. I mean, there's not really much of an idea here, so I think we'll be okay. I think we're gonna be all right. I'm gonna grab the camera, and we're gonna go even further out. Let's move over a bunch. This looks like Python. Yeah, Nepal. It's very similar to Python actually. GD script. That's an astute observation. In fact, they are quite similar, but different, but also similar. Yeah, it's based on Python. Okay, great, good, awesome. I hate the that it falls down. Something about that really bothers me. Oh, thanks, Andrej. Oh, I hope so. We'll see. I like how obviously it looks like what it is, which is that it's it's like the camera's looking at it from this angle. Okay, so I need to adjust the spawners very, very, very badly, very much. You're quite the astute observer. Yes. Okay, so those we can eat. No pain, no problem. I love it. I love it. If we hit these, our Claire is dead. Change the camera to ortho? I don't know. Should I? Let's do it. Orthographic, projection, orthogonal. What has happened? What has occurred? What have you done to me? What the heck have you done to me, dungeon? This was wrong. Incorrect. What? Wait, there has to be some reason that can be better. I don't know. I don't have time to figure. Oh, size. Hey, we got there. You knew. You already knew. But now we don't see the red in the mouth. I made that red, dang it. I mean, if I wanted it to be seen, all you gotta do is just rotate this a little bit. That's all you gotta do. Now you can see it. Good call, dungeon. Nice. Oh, heck yeah. Look how cute that looks. Frick yeah, dude. Awesome. I kind of want to change the movement speed a little bit. Let's just make it a little faster. Okay, don't worry about that stuff. Lise, look at the time. So we need, let me get the score stuff. So this is another thing that I've worked on before. It's a UI. I use it for pretty much all of the ones that I submit. Curious, where are we at? I don't really need the timer. I think I would like this game. Okay, score goes up, beautiful, and then, so the game just immediately restarts when you die. There's no stopping. It just completely restarts, which I don't love that for a lot of reasons. Can it not do that? Can we make that not be what happens? Would that be possible, please? So what I need to look for in the project is the game over situation. Long maze wall, character body, time panel, UI. Where is... Can we look up game over like as like a function? anywhere, please. Game over as a Okay, that's not. Game over connect. I'm in big danger. Yeah, yes, Nepple. Correct. No, not like that. Connect. Long maze character body, UI, score panel, restart panel. Yes. If get owner restart visible, showing one show. Yeah, but restart. But why is it pressing restart right away? I don't understand how it's doing that. I don't even know how it's like pressing it automatically. I'm very confused about that. Reload. No, not preload. Reload current. You're very generous, Lucas, but I'm in danger tonight. In the UI, if did not win, reload. No. No. Do not do that. Please do not do that. Okay, so what happens when we die now? Your character is gone. That's pretty good. That's wonderful. That's perfect. I love it. And let's have the timer count up this time. I think that would be nice. Come to the UI. We need to go to the UI, and here we want to say timer settings, count up, score visible, yes. We want the timer to start at 0. It's better than you can do it. That's nice. Yeah. Well, sometimes I underestimate my own abilities, but that's nice to hear. Okay, so now I can't move for some reason. I don't quite understand what that is. Why is the controls locked? I don't know. I'm not sure. Is it because of count up? What the frick? What in the world? Is it because the timer length is 0? What is happening? What is even going on here? Why is the controls locked? Okay, now the controls are there. If I do count up, and we say timer for racing, I do remember changing. Oh, you know what? I think I remember changing. Here, let's restart this. Changing what starts. Okay, that was fine. Why is it starting at 1 though? I said 0. And it's basing it on the clicks this time. That's so weird. I'm so confused. Whatever. At least just no timer. How about no timer? You messed up. It happens. It happens. I would love the timer, but I think the score is more important. Anyway, what? But then the movement is locked. Why is the movement locked sometimes? What is that? That is not good. What is locking it? Oh man. What if we auto start the timer? What if we just auto start the timer? All right, that looks a lot better. Okay, good, great, awesome. Oh my God, I'm in so much danger. So I need to make this is where I'm gonna fall apart. I need to make a new script, and this script will control the spawners. I don't have the spawners moving at all, right? Like they don't move. I don't, dude. Oh my God, I'm in so much danger, guys. All right, here we go. I'm in so much danger. Because these spawners aren't doing anything. So we want to put them off camera. Where's the camera view, please? Go in here. I want these to be much further away, please, if they wouldn't mind. Just go off camera. I believe that's off camera, but let's make sure. All right, they're off camera. There those come. So I obviously would like them to not be so particular. Let's add an animation player, and there's so much more I would have rather worked on. I'm so disappointed. I am. No, I'm happy. No. There's a lot of good here, but like I wish it was more. We're gonna say lemon, and then this. Which one's the lemon one? The one on the top, apparently. And for the lemon, I want to timer and assign a random X position within a range. That's interesting. Timer and then a random X position within a range. Yeah, maybe I could do that. let's see, drag this in here on ready. We've got lemons. I think that's lemons. I don't actually know which one's which right now. I'm not sure. I'm not actually sure. The top one, whichever one that is, that's lemons. Okay. So if I say add a timer, and then we set up that timer, and then I say timer, we need another timer. We need timer, we could do either one. Timer, um, uh, timeout, connect on timer, timeout, on func, on timer, timeout. And then when that happens, we say but see, the problem with that is dungeon is I need to set like a limitation. Dear God, not dungeon, just the world. It's not you. And I don't know what limitation I need to set, and I got to figure that out. So let me just move this to like the topmost spot, I guess. What's that at? We'll say -20. There's a lot of problems with this. Oh man, there's a lot of problems with this. Dang, I'm not gonna have time to make it scale in difficulty, which I'm really disappointed about, because that's something that I really, really want. Okay, so we're saying 8 and -15, between 8 and -15 on the z-axis. So I would want to say random float range between between -15.0 and 8.0. We want to get that. We want to get that every time. Variable position. Variable position equals that, and then lemons global position z equals pause. We kind of want to do a different one for each one. Do you know what I'm saying? We kind of want to do a different one. So I mean, I could do that there's a different way that I could make that work, but I don't have the ability right now. I know there's other ways to do that, but I'm not. So we're just going to do it like this. Instead, we're going to get a second timer here. Drop that in. Timer 2, timeout, connect on. I know there's another way to do it, but I can't right now. Func, just copy it. Just copy it and paste it. Copy and paste on timer 2, and then this one is for orange. Great, beautiful. On timer 2 timeout. Why is that? Identifier timer 2 not declared in the current scope. Oh, okay, timer 2. And then for these timers, I mean, it's just like every second. Sure, why not? What's that like? What is that like? What does that do? Does that do something? Do we see lemons and oranges in different positions every second? No. No, we do not. Why not? Oh, the timer needs to be auto-started. Auto-start it. Go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me see that auto-start. Let me see that those random positions. There we go. There's some random positions. Yeah, you knew. There's some. Uh-oh, this is hard. Well, this is a hard game. Okay. Oh, geez. Wow. That's impossible. um, hmm. Well, what you need is to fire them less often. So there is going to be a property on each of these spawn objects. That's going to be tough. So we could say on the lemons, I need to say if yeah, 3 minutes, make the character a bit smaller. You know, we could. I'm worried. I could do that. I could do that, but I think I'm just gonna make them spawn less frequently. So right now, spawn velocity, spawn lifetime, damage set. How do we don't have how many get spawned, how frequently they get spawned. That's not a thing in this. We didn't set that up. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is devastating. That is Well, there's a timer. Oh, there's a timer. I forgot. There's a timer right here. This is the timer. So you know what I actually should do? This is devastating. I should make a separate spawn controller for the lemons versus I should do a separate one. So I need to come here and I need to actually reconnect the orange setup here. So I'm going to drag this on, drop that here, and this is orange. Okay. I think this will make more sense. And then so then I'm also going to need to on-ready this. So this is the lemon spawn controller. This is the orange spawn controller. This is lemon time, and this is orange time. 1 minute. So here's the thing to keep in mind. Here's the thing to keep in mind. I actually remember, you may remember, I gave myself extra time. So I'm going to actually set a new timer for 3 minutes. I do this so that way I get more pressure sooner. So we actually have 3 minutes left. I tricked myself and you by accident, but mostly I meant to trick myself. Okay. It's lemon time. Yes. Ooh, delicious. Welcome, Psychonic. So, all right. So we need to say that as time goes on, maybe we could say every time. Okay, well, first of all, let's say that the time for the spawns are every 5 seconds for now. All right, let's set that to every 5 seconds. Oh, that's the lemon. So for the lemon, let's actually make it every 6 seconds. I don't know. And then for the orange, we'll say every 5 seconds. So this should feel a lot more like fair and less horrifying. Okay, so, I mean, they're really slow. It would be great if we could speed up the spawns. I'm not spawn velocity. 3. 1. You made it a maximum of 1? How dare you? Let's give it a range. Let's make it 10 maximum on there. And then let's do the same. Oh, that's on both. That's the same script. Okay, great. 5. What is 5 like? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Show me them. Where are they? Oh my god. Dude, they're so slow. That's so slow. Are you serious? Are we sure that this velocity is what I think it is? Does this mean what I think it means or no? Because that's awfully slow. My god. My god. Okay, that is faster. And then the lemons are going slower because it didn't like save correctly. Oh my god. Oh my god, that just has to be good enough. And then I'm going to come back to the script here, and I want to say every time the timer times out, we want, I don't know how to like add time, if I'm being honest. So we're gonna guess. Lemon time, start, I kind of need some variables for this. We're going to say variable lemons time equals 6, 5, and then I'm going to say, oh, I'm in danger. I'm running out of time. This should be faster. Variable, or I don't have time. Orange's time equals 5, 6, whatever. Yeah, you're probably right. And then every time this happens, we want this to be lemons time plus 1, and then we want to say the same thing here, except I know I'm running late. It happens. Orange's time. That's why we made a pre-submission. That's what the pre-submission does for us. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh, we got problems. Can you just show me what it is, please? Non-existent function start in base integer. Oh. We meant to do it that way. All right, try again. So this is probably going to get way too fast, way too quickly, I would guess. Or way too frequent. Hey, where's something? Oh, because you're starting it at 1. Wait, what? Nothing is spawning. Why? Wait, what? I think you also want it to be minus. But wait, why is nothing spawning? What is this error? I know I'm out of time, guys. What is this error? What is happening? Lemon's time. We set up lemon time. They're each at something. What? I wonder what's going on here. I wonder what's going on here. You forgot to pre-submit. Oh no, that is awkward. Community tab. To the community tab for you. Wait, why aren't they spawning? Is it because of this that I added in? Is there something that I'm doing wrong here? Like if I comment that out and we hit play, do they show up again? Let me know. No. Yes. Wow. So what is it doing wrong? Is it because I'm saying start? Is it always setting time? Oh, right. It keeps starting over and over again. So how do you like add time to it? Yeah, the timer never drops. How do you do that? Uh, is that wait time? I don't know that. I don't know how to act. I don't think I can adjust the time, can I? I don't think I can. How to modify Godot timer time subtract add. I don't know if I can actually do that. Can I programmatically set the wait time? Man, I probably have to create my own timer for this. Not sure what you're asking. Wait time will set for future countdowns, but not the current one if there's one already started. To diminish it by 10%. And then we have to start it again. So I do have to start it again. Check how much time is left. I think it was time left, and if it's below 0 for the function, could make a variable and change that over time. Wait, what? I don't understand. Check how much time is left. I think it was time left, and if it's below 0, fire the function. If it's below 0, oh, interesting. That's a good idea. So we could say if lemon time, what's it called? We're going way over today, folks. Process time left, time left, time left. This is going to be tough, but it may not be that tough. If time left is less than or equal to 0, then do this. Okay, that's a really, really solid idea, Justin. We'll see if that actually works. We'll see if that actually works. So that way it's not constantly restarting it. Come on, show me a lemon or an orange. Oh, dear God. Okay, we got one. We got one. It's coming. There's something there. There's something up there. All right, and hopefully it'll scale up. I don't know. We got to call it. The last thing I got to do is just get rid of this extra time panel that's up here for no reason whatsoever. Okay. All right. I know I'm a little over time. I know I'm over time, but we got the game. Everybody's allowed extra time. All right. I'm out here streaming. I'm doing my best. We're going to go to, what is it called? NOM. And guys, we're going to check out all your games too, by the way. Yeah. Oh, wait, we got to call this index. Just kidding. I need to make a folder called export. This has to be index.html. Make sure we export that project. Oh, wait, hold on. That was a mistake because I have to select all the things that I need. I do. I have to click all the things that need to go into the game. It sucks, but it's true. So that's going to include... This makes it a lot, like, smaller of a file, basically. All right, and then the spawner stuff should just be in the project because I used it, but because I'm paranoid, I'm going to mark it. Okay. All right, that's fine. Leave all that crap in there, no problem. Okay, export it now. Yes, override it. Do it, crush it. I'm a little afraid. I'm definitely afraid. Gonna open up this. How are we doing on time? 5 minutes overtime? That's okay. I know you guys are too. I know you guys are overtime too. We all do it. We all do it. It's part of the jam. And then, right? Let's get a picture. I need a picture for my game. Well, I'm gonna put up my game and it's not gonna look like anything. That's no fun. We gotta have a little fun. It's all right. No, please do not have a cursor in there. We'll just get this lovely guy. And then upload a cover image. It's not a square, unfortunately. Make it a square. Make it a square, or at least make it squishable into a square. Come on. Come on. All right. Now we pull this up. Use a Godot screenshot. I don't even know what that... Oh, what? Like, wait, what does that mean? What is a Godot screenshot? Where's my screenshots folder? Why is my screenshots folder not bookmarked anymore? I I specifically told you to be bookmark screenshot folder. I designed you to be bookmarked. How dare you not be pinned to quick access? That is your one job. All right, come down here, click on that. Nom noms. Great, beautiful. This is orange, yummy, frog-like orange. I love that. That's kind of a cute name. There's something kind of cute about that. All right, we're gonna rename this frog-like orange. Excellent, excellent. Kind of project HTML. We're then going to upload it right here. I'm gonna pull up that very folder that I created, the export folder in my NOM project. I'm gonna select everything in there. We're gonna put it into a little zippy zip file so that way it's findable by itch. By the way, guys, so we're doing a whole nother stream right after this. So not this stream, but the next stream. When this one ends, it'll lead you right over to the next one. So you don't have to worry about going to find it or anything. And it's going to be where we check out everyone's games. Because this is like a game jamming stream. The next one is a game playing stream. That's why they're separate. So if you haven't left a thumbs up, go ahead and leave it, because we're going to go over there to play my game and everyone else's game. But first, let me add a description. Move up and down. Move the frog up and down to eat its favorite fruit. Its favorite fruit, oranges. Unfortunately, lemons will kill it, so don't eat those. Move the frog up and down, arrow keys, or W/S. All right. Good. Looks good. Public, save it. We're going to see what happens. You forgot to add a game? You forgot to add a game? That would be important. I could see why you would want to have a game on your game for reasons of game. So get to it. Get your game on your game if you haven't yet. That really helps, I've heard. I'm trying to get this other stream set up. Where is the make it public button? What in the world? Why is it not? Okay, this is strange. This is unusual. Okay, let's play it. Here we go. Them some harsh lemons. Here's a link to the other stream, by the way. Again, as soon as this one ends, you'll find a link to the next one, so don't worry. Okay, it looks like it works. I put a game up here. It works. So I'm going to go to the other stream, and I'm going to go play it, you guys. I'm going to go see... Okay, wait, I think I found it. I'm going to come... What? Wait, where is the... Why can't I make this stream public right now? This is being very, very odd. All right, I'm going to figure this out. As soon as this ends, the other stream will come up, guys. I'll see you there. If you're watching it after the live stream, all right, tap or click in the top right to get there, to jump right over there, all right? The link is in the chat as well. It's in the description box. So go over there, and I'll see you there in a second. Tap right there if you're watching after the live stream. Let's go! Let's go! Let's do it! I'm going to play my game, and I'm going to play your games. So we're going to play a bunch of games. It's going to be fun. Go on over there. Leave a thumbs up.